In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
If you're trying to choose between Airtable and Notion, here's my experience after using both for about 6 months. Both tools are great for organizing information and building workflows, but they are designed with different approaches. Airtable feels more like a powerful database. I really like how structured everything is, with tables, views, filters, and automation options. It's great for managing projects, tracking inventory, building CRM systems, and handling large amounts of organized data. If your workflow depends on data accuracy and automation, Airtable is extremely powerful. The downside is that it can take some time to understand. For beginners, the database structure may feel more complicated compared to simpler productivity tools. Notion is much more flexible as an all-in-one workspace. I like how easy it is to combine notes, documents, tasks, databases, and team collaboration in one place. It's perfect for content planning, knowledge management, and personal or team organization. The drawback is that Notion databases aren't as powerful as Airtable when you need complex data relationships or advanced automation. Large workflows can sometimes become harder to manage. One thing I'd pay attention to is what kind of workflow you're building. If you need a true database with powerful automation and structured data, Airtable is the better choice. But if you want a flexible workspace where documents and databases work together, Notion is much easier to use. For me, Airtable wins for advanced workflows and data management, while Notion wins for flexibility and collaboration. The best choice depends on whether you need a database-first tool or an all-in-one workspace.